Yes, I'm Roman and how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Today we watched the video of a man who sells 1,000 orders a day and this is street food. That's amazing. Let's go. Look at this man's speed. Oh, the amount of meat and dishes. Wow. That's sort of cabbage. Ah, he has a team. That's good. Oh, wow. Why is it that all of these videos I watch with people cooking food, they seem to be fit, they have muscles? This man's sprinkling salt. Like, what do you call it? Salt, babe? This cabbage looks good with the meat. Wow. Is that egg?
No, stupid.
He gets to work early. He prepares everything, which takes roughly 1 hour. Wow. Personally, I think to cut up that many cabbages, it would take me a long time. Honestly, Japanese people seem to be some excellent set of workers. Like, where do they get the energy and motivation from? This guy's story is quite interesting. So they said that he started back when he was young. He ate at the restaurant. He enjoyed the food. And he was interested in becoming a chef or working at the restaurant. He sent his job letter. They did not accept him. He called, tried to appeal. It did not work. Then he went there in person. And he got the job. That is hard work. That is determination. Sometimes people tell you no, and maybe the right thing when someone tells you no is to move on and seek something better, start something yourself. But then there are also other situations where you just need to be diligent. You need to be persistent. This young man, he's an inspiration. What I admire though is that these people put so much care in their cleaning, organizing the mat, even cleaning the fan so that the air is good quality. I don't know, I can smell the food. Maybe it's because I'm hungry. I can smell it. Their food honestly looks so delicious. Wow. I wouldn't eat that because of the meat, but it's tempting. It's amazing how healthy Japanese people are when they eat so much rice. But then there's always vegetables, so I think they have a balanced meal. Have you ever seen an obese person? An obese Japanese person? I've never. I need to look it up afterwards.
Fat Japanese person. That being fat in Japan is not necessarily accepted. So it's concluded that we don't really have much obese Japanese people.
What I find interesting too is that they don't have a diverse menu. It's literally the same set of things. There's a very, very limited option. And with this limited option, they sell 1,000 meals per day. For it to sell a lot of these same limited type of dishes, it's amazing. It means that your restaurant is really good. If you guys enjoyed my video and if you enjoyed this and you would like to see the longer version, I'll leave it in the description box. As usual, please like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.